We're gonna do this tranny mount. Ow.
So I'm talking about watch where your hand goes.
I'm loosening all the 14s, and then we get a gun on everything.
The middle one too.
I already got the middle one.
Okay.
Here, go ahead and zap everything off.
You got another gun?
I got a gun. Take these two for this guy right here. And you can let it hang because there's a torque mount up top that holds the train from falling. So go for it, drop it. Here. Brackets on 12s. Make sure you get the right bracket. We got the new one back in. Make sure you tighten it with the gun. Make sure it's all good, nice and sturdy. Brand new here. Looks really good. All right, put that bracket back up.
Okay.
And all these bolts. There you go. Okay. There. Voila. That's how gangster I am. I can do it all in one shot. Whoops. One there. One there. That's it. 12. These guys right back to where they belong. Voila, voila, voila. Whew.
Do the muffler?
Voila. Muffler time, baby.